If you feel like email is a mess, let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for old messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started right now, and let's get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. I hope everything is doing well firstly, and let's get started. All I have to do right now is just dive into google.com, or you can just click over here to get started with this application, which is Gmail. So of course you have an account because we use Gmail or our email in our life. That's why we must, or it's normal to have an account. You have just to run out to sign in by adding your email address and your password, then you get started. Alright, so all I have to do right now is just click over compose first to discovering how it works with this one. So we have just right now to click over compose if you want to send, for example, an email, and then let's get started. I will just firstly add my email, and we have it right now, as you can see. And then I will just click over here, continue. Then you have to add a subject, for example here, asking for some advices. As you can see, then we'll just come back and I will start writing, hey, I hope everything's doing well. Is doing well. And I take a decision to write to you. For asking for some advices. For instance, an example. And here we have it right now. And then we have just show if you want, for example, other options here. We have it if it's scroll down. You have just to use it if you want to hear endo, also redo. Alright, so we have just to use those things that could help you. For example, if you want to come back here, as I said, also we have here, for example, let's just select one of these words and let's select, for example, this one. And then I will just here select, for example, this one and or this one, and as you can see it's changing right now. And then we have this one, and we have here white. Then we have here, if you want to select it huge, and then if you want to make it bold, italic, underline, and about the color I will select here the gray one, and about the text I will select the black one. So I think this first one is good. And here we have it right now, as you can see, with the background and with this color. Then also if you want to here make it alignment, so you have to select the one you want, and then you can also make it here with numbered list, and also we have here a bottled list, and we have here if you want to indent more, indent list, and we have also here code, right to left. Then we have here strike through, and we have also remove formatting. And if you want to send, you click over here and you start here schedule a send, or you can just also here select this, or you can just also delete it. Also if you want to attach files by using your computer, or you can just also here insert link if you want, and here we have text to display, or we have a link to what URL should this link go. You have just select for a web address or email address. For example, web address, you have just to add what URL should this link go. About email address, to find here also to what email address should this link, or you click over OK. Then we have also here insert emoji if you want. Then we have here also insert files using Drive, and that's it for this one. Then we have also if you want to insert photo, as you can see. Then also if you want to hear the option of toggle confidential mode, insert signature, then we have also here more options, as you can see. And then you get started with this one right now, right? So this is for the compose, and this is how you can get started. So but first let's know other one, which is more options. If you want to hit default to full screen label, if you want to create a label as a social, if you want updates, or if you want here also forums or promotions. Then we have your plain text mode, print, check spell, and then we have set up time limit, right? So right now this is for this one. We have also here other options in the left, such as start, snows, send, drafts. We have here more labels. Just to click over here to create a new label if you want. And then you have to enter a new label name, and also we have a nest label ender, and then you click over to create. Alright, so also we have here in the settings other options that could help you. For example, here we have also here, if we click over more, for example, important chats, schedule, you have here all mail, spam, trash, categories, social updates, forums, promotions, manage labels, create a new label as well. Right, so let's just click on over settings. We have see all settings. We have here in the settings general, labels, inbox. We have also accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop, IMAP and add-ons. We'll list over in each one here. Right now let's just here know about general one. About this one, you'll find here chat and meet, advanced, offline, and teams. So let's just right now come back to general. We have here also language. You have just select here the language that you want. You can also change the language settings for other Google products. Also, we have enable input tools. Use various text input tools to type in the language of your choice. If you want to right to left editing support off, right to left editing support on. We have here phone numbers, default country code, maximum page size, and we have also here in the send, the for reply behavior, hover, actions, send and archive. We have also your default text styles, images, dynamic email, grammar, spelling. Then we have autocorrect, smart compose personalization, conversation view. Then we have here just smart reply. You can just make it smart reply off or on. We have here smart features and personalization, smart features and personalization under Google products, package tracking, desktop notification as well. You can make it your new mail notification on, important mail notification or mail notification off. So also we have here stars, as you can see, keyboard shortcuts. We have a button label, my picture as well. We have create contacts for autocomplete, important importance signals for ads, and we have signature as well. You have just to click over here to create new, and you have to add your signature name, and you click over create. Then we have your personal level indicators, snipers, and we have vacation responder as well, right? So right now we have also here other options such as labels, inbox. About inbox, you'll find here the categories, the rate and pain, important markers, and other things. Then we have your accounts and import. But it's more fun here, change account settings using Gmail for work, and we have here also filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop, IMAP, and we have here add-ons as well. So right now in the right we'll find here also calendar. We have also cap if you wanna also here tasks, contacts, and then we have here if you wanna get add-ons, sorry. So this is how it works with Gmail. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.